Alright, we're here with the gamers. And we're playing Skyrim, of course.
Tip number 1. You always want to get the treasure before you fight the giant.
Get them. What would be in there?
Something obviously good because it's an expert lock.
How would you know that?
Because it said.
Oh.
Kyle is watching his favorite TV show, The Teletubbies.
Cow.
You better not waste all my lockpicks. Try to unlock it though.
I'm trying, but you're.
You gotta take
More to the left.
You gotta take their mammoth cheese. Come on.
More to the left.
No, I had it, I swear.
Oh my.
Had it, huh? Nice. Look at that face.
Okay, no, watch this part again.
Kyle, stop.
Kyle, stop.
Kyle!
Doing.
You're so gay.
What? Oh. Okay.
There's some words to say that, Logan.
No, where is
So,
it?
you know, you're not Logan, you're Chops and Phillips.
Blowing head.
Kyle, no one cares.
Okay, I got this. I think I got it. Oh!
Oh my.
I hate my life.
You have to get this.
Takes pure skill. Lockpicking's
I forgot
only
the stuffy baby
22.
face.
Not so good.
What the?
Okay, just stop.
No, he has to get this.
3 left.
Challenge accepted, dude. Oh, what the?
To the left. You're so bad.
No, it was over here. I swear.
Yeah, but you haven't even done it once. So let me see.
I'm actually good at lockpicking.
No, turn it in.
What the?
Okay, that made sense.
I don't know. What the? My.
Fuck. Oh, what is that?
Shoot him, shoot him.
Lockpicking increase. Get him!
No!
Cameron, go into third person and then crouch and then jump up. Crouch.
Nice.
It turns you. They don't know where you are now. Okay, get him. Oh, and you can do barrel rolls.
Nice.
Or you can roll. Okay, crouch and then run. Crouch.
Okay, enough of that.
I'm trying.
Now run.
Oh, nice.
Come on, you gotta fight the giant.
I swear
Nice.
to God.
Didn't really work.
Cameron, you're not very good at this game.
I am, but I don't use bows. What
You
the?
better not
Cow,
use all
actually,
my
on the camera.
arrows.
Kyle, what is your problem?
He's obsessed with this song.
Kill the caribou.
Just don't use my bow and arrows. Use this for
I think she
use
has
this for
her.
arm.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, can I use them?
Oh, looks like you've got all 3 words on your unrelenting force.
Nice.
Kyle, turn that toss ticket from me.
I
I
would.
pickpocketed, that's a thing.
Kyle, stop.
Okay, you have to get really close. You have to hold it down.
That was really close.
Beat him up.
It's like nothing.
Nice, nice. He got it.
Yeah, it's doing
Run.
nothing.
I think he's right behind you. You're losing him. Look behind you.
No.
I think you're losing him.
No. What? Okay.
Oh, he's right there. I think he doesn't. I don't think he knows where you are. Oh, he's after you.
Am I losing him?
Maybe. Come on. Got to hear you shout on him again.
It's not loaded yet.
Oh, okay.
Crouch.
Oh,
Okay, hand it up.
Okay, now
Okay.
Logan's